Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to control Amazon communication preferences and notifications. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by Amazon emails or push notifications, this tutorial will help you customize exactly what you want to receive and how you want to be contacted. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage all your settings. Now scroll down until you find Communication Preferences and click on it. This section is your control center for all the ways Amazon reaches out to you, whether it's through email, text messages, or push notifications. On the left sidebar, you'll see multiple options including account and shipping, deals and recommendations, subscribed updates, reviews and follows, and general settings. We'll walk through each of these so you can customize your preferences completely. Let's start with account and shipping. Click on it in the left sidebar. Here you'll see various options including account, shipping and delivery, and seller communications. Right beside each option, you'll notice an edit button. Click edit on the option you want to adjust. Amazon will ask you how they should notify you about these updates, then click update. From here, if you want to turn off notifications for that category, simply click turn off. If you want to turn them back on, click turn on. It's as simple as toggling these settings to match your preferences. Next, click on Deals and Recommendations in the left sidebar. You'll have several options here as well. Simply click the Edit button right beside each option you see, then click Update. If you want to turn off all notifications in this category, click Turn Off All. If you want to turn on all notifications, click Turn On All. This gives you quick control over whether you want to hear about Amazon's daily deals and product recommendations. Now click on Subscribed Updates in the left sidebar. Here you can simply toggle on or off any subscription you want to change. If you want to turn off all notifications in this section, click Turn Off All. If you want to turn them back on, click Turn On All. This section is particularly useful if you're subscribed to specific product updates or newsletters and want to manage them all at once. Move on to Reviews and Follows in the left sidebar. If you want to receive updates from feedback you've given or products you're following, simply toggle the setting on or off based on your preference. This helps you stay in the loop about products you care about without getting flooded with unnecessary updates. Finally, click on General Settings in the left sidebar. You'll see different options including email, push notifications, text messages, and mail. Simply click on the settings you want to change. For instance, if you click on text messages and want to change your phone number, simply click Change and update your information. If you want to adjust your mail notifications, you can uncheck or check the box that says Get Occasional Marketing about products, services, deals, and recommendations in email. Once you've made all your adjustments, click Save Changes to ensure everything is updated. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Amazon communication preferences and notifications to suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.